Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Hayes Crew Outside. I'm Hayes Crew. Glad to see you. Hope all is well. Today, we're going to find out what bait is better for catfish: wild cat blood versus magic bait vanilla. I've got 8 jugs, 4 red, which will carry the wild cat blood, and 4 orange, which will have the vanilla magic bait. I'm not sure which one's going to win, but it should be interesting. Small, private pond, lake, whichever you prefer, and it's a mixture of sun and shade and a mixture of depths. I've got some of the jugs in 5 feet of water, and I've got some of the jugs in 15 feet of water. Not a lot of structure, so real curious to see how this pond fishes. I've never fished it before, finally got out here. Looking forward to finding out which is the best bait. What I like about the bait so far is they both have resealable bags. The wildcat blood smells god awful and really gets on the hands, which is not good as far as I'm concerned. I don't like to be all stinky. The vanilla doesn't smell at all, and is kind of built like a marshmallow. Interesting. Fits on the hook really well. Even the wildcat blood, while it can crumble, I've kept it cool and it fits on the hook nicely, doesn't fall apart. And I found that even going up and down in the water column when I'm checking the bait, it doesn't fall off, which a lot of these artificial baits do fall to pieces very quickly. And I'm using circle hooks versus treble hooks, which most of these artificial baits tell you to use treble, but I'm going to be catching and releasing, and the treble hooks do a lot of damage to catfish, trying to get the hook out of the mouth, so I'm using that circle hook. But let's get on it. This is going to be an interesting day. We're going to continue throughout the year to find out what is the best bait. Last week, shrimp in a surprise victory beat out brim, and the winner of today's contest will go up against challenger Catfish Pro, which had a surprise victory over a different magic bait. So let's find out who's going to win today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Well, didn't even know that sucker was on. I don't know about you guys, but that is not a healthy looking catfish. So this is a private pond. Monster head. Look at the size of that mouth. It didn't even put up a fight. And that was on orange, so that was on the vanilla. Seems to like the vanilla. God, that's a big head for that body. Well, we're gonna let him go. I gotta tell you guys and gals, that's a sickly looking fish. Uh-oh, might have a little bite there. And that's on the molasses, vanilla molasses. Or no, straight vanilla. Yeah, it's a turtle. That's not good. Well, time for surgery. All God's creatures need to and I don't eat turtle soup, at least I haven't yet. Not opposed to it, but well, man, something pulled that right into the bush. Wonder if that's another turtle. Oh, that's another big catfish. Wow, that's 2 down for vanilla. Look at that. You see where that circle hook's at? That's why I use the circle hook. Gets right into the corner of the mouth. Pull that right out. And the problem is, again, look at the size of that head for that little teeny body. And this one's got more fight than the last one, but very pale in color, almost grayish. That is a monster head. Dude, look at that. Looks like he's got some leeches in there. That's a big head catfish. I'm about to say good looking, but he's not. He's got some spice to him. All right, there we go. Whew. Man, that's 2 right there. So what is that? Nope, that is magic bait. The cat blood is not what's working. This one, the magic bait, vanilla, prepared dough bait. 2 nice cats. I like it. I've fished other ponds where pollution has deformed the fish, and here with the first couple looking kind of sickly, makes me wonder. I really got to pay better attention to my equipment. I got a little rusted up there. And that was on this vanilla. Oop. While I'm waiting for the next hit on my jugs, figure I'd break out the rod and reel and give some brim a try, and it looks like that has panned out pretty well. A lot of action today. I think I'm going to have to come back and really work this pond another day. I am trying to head out, and there we go. Right before the thunderstorms. Oh, there we go. Let's get them all up in the string. That was another one on magic bait. Let's see if I can get it out from the entanglement. Well, that's about it for today, guys and gals. It is about to come down in buckets. So far, we caught 3 catfish on magic bait vanilla versus the catfish blood from Charlie's. So not a bad day fishing, only a couple hours, but really had a good time out here on Creekwood Lake. And again, as you can see, it is getting dark. Got yelled at by the neighbors, but still a good day fishing. Again, thank you for watching Hayes Crude Outside. Again, we're continuing our voyage to find out what is the best catfish bait out there. And we have the 2 categories, which is artificial versus natural. Last time I was out, I actually had a surprise when shrimp beat out brim cut bait. So really surprised. And today, again, I didn't expect magic bait, which kind of looked like little marshmallows, beating out wild cat blood. I think that's the name of it. So, but again, we'll try it out, another one next week. Again, I'm still trying to find chicken livers at the grocery store. That's supposed to be a top contender, but we'll find out. Thank you for watching Hayes Crude Outside. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Uh-oh, gotta go.